my name is Nico at Charlie's Foreign Car, and we specialize in electrical systems here. I've got an example of what happened to this car. This car has this Fiat. The AC stopped working. And I want to show you what happened with this car with an electrical problem, maybe something that's avoidable. So the AC compressor clutch failed. It came apart, and then what it did is it melted a couple connectors and some wiring inside here. So you can see right here, see how you got bare wire right there? You see that copper wire? It melted itself all the way through that harness. Then it ended up burning that connector end right down there as well. This harness, someone already attempted to repair it once by adding a relay. It did not work out. This car needs a new harness. There's a bunch of bare wires inside it, so this entire thing is bad. It goes through the whole engine and everything. Everything on cars today is electrical: brakes, door handles, lights, everything except tires maybe. So we are cars are becoming more and more connected as they progress on. So we specialize in electricity. This repair, so this car is getting a new one of those harnesses and a new compressor to go with it. That's like $3,000. So you don't want to have to go through that, and also the harness that goes inside the car. So it's getting two harnesses and a compressor. So we're here to fix that. We're here to prevent that. More on the prevention side if we can. This is an extreme case of what can happen. This is only like a, say, 1 in 100 case. Everything else is preventable. So if you think you have an electrical problem, give us a call, come down, text me, whichever. I'm here to help you. Thank you.